Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to give up.
Sanibonani guys, if it's your first time here, my name is Lulu. If you are a returning supporter, welcome back, and thank you guys for clicking on the video to watch. Alright, so today's another vlog. It is on a Friday. We are vlogging again. Okay, we are on this consistent train, child. Okay, so today's a Friday and we're starting another vlog. So excited. Thank you guys for your support on the previous vlog. My average views for a vlog right now is on 100, which is not a lot, but on the other hand, like, I've got 100 people watching, even though maybe they don't watch the whole video, but like, it is something, right? I'm so happy to have 100 of you come here and watch my video. So today's another vlog and it is on a Friday. On Thursday I got an SMS to come fetch my parcel at the post office, so I went there yesterday to pick it up, and I actually opened the package, forgot to do an unboxing, but we're here now. Okay, I ordered these shades. Let me wear them for you guys. So I ordered these shades, I think it was about 2 months ago. You know, AliExpress uses like e-packets or whatever, so the shipping actually takes a bit of time. So I ordered these Celine Triumph replica sunglasses. So this is what they look like. I love them. I'm definitely going to plug you guys and leave you guys with the link down below. Without being rude, I'm just here to say that I'm plugging the people that want to be plugged. If buying replicas is not for you, then please don't come for me, please. I'm going to Mainland and I'm going to Pretoria CBD, then I'm going to Mainland. The perfume for the day is Hugo Boss. That is the perfume for the day. Let me show you guys my outfit. Okay, basically I think I'm wearing Shein everywhere, but okay, the cap is from Shein. Obviously the sunglasses are from AliExpress. This is from Shein. This top is from Shein. It was a bodysuit. I actually cut it like from up to here so that I don't have to keep on clipping it. So yeah, the skirt is from Shein as well. These shoes are from Cotton On. Okay, this bag is from Ambassadors. For you, it's actually quite strong. I hope vlogging. I hope vlogging.
Taking notes on my keyboard, what you bothering me for? There's a room full of niggas, what you following me for? Say the fucking thing low, so girl, what you singing for? Cause you blow like a seagull,
I didn't get to do anything because it is so packed in the malls, in the shops. It is so full. Traffic is a mother, okay? Like, the traffic is so bad. Month end, don't come to Mainland, guys. Don't come to Mainland. Rather go Akitoko Molongo thing, but Mainland is a no-go area. So now I'm at Mainland Main. I'm about to head home. I'm so hungry and I haven't had anything to eat. Imagine since Fro now it's 20 to 6. I haven't had anything to eat. The only thing that I had is Red Bull. Can you imagine? Anyways guys, let's go home, go find something to eat. I don't know what I'm craving, spatlo, but we'll see. It's Friday, so yeah, we'll see. Editing on my phone has become such a nightmare. My eyes get strained. 1, 2, space is a problem, especially when I shoot with my camera and I have to export the files. The temperature of my phone, especially when I'm charging it, is always high. Like the phone is always hot. I'm not having bread. I'm so hungry. I'm making food. This is my first meal of the day. A slice of bread with acha in it. I'm making rice and mince, so I'm gonna have that. I'm gonna eat, freshen up, and prepare myself for tomorrow. Let me just take these clothes off. I've got a long day ahead of me, guys. Tomorrow is just tomorrow is a hectic day. I've got clients back to back the whole day. If I don't shoot before bed, I'll definitely see you guys tomorrow.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high.
Morning guys, it is that day that I was talking about yesterday. Today is very busy. I've got clients back to back and all of them are house calls, and then we've got the rugby match later on today. So that is the memo for the day. If you have gloss, then you can put gloss.
I think so, but this can run.
Yeah, it's perfect actually. Thank you so much. Put in the coat.
I'm talking about dark perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. On an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Hold up, play me up champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't your game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
Just got home. Girl is so tired. Yo guys, I look crusty as if. My nails are falling out. You see my nail literally split in half. These nails definitely must go. I'm just gonna do final edits on the vlog, and then I'm going to freshen up and guys, let's go support the Springbok. Let's go support the Springboks. And then tell me why it just started raining. So I just finished freshening up. I look cute. I just put on makeup. This is my outfit Guys,
Boko boko.
Boka.
Boki.
We are at mainland. We are here to support the Bokas. Yeah, but we don't have the Boka t-shirts.
The Boki t-shirt.
Those Boka t-shirts are expensive. You cannot afford them. Yo, guys, the winning minting thing with the support that the Springbok had. They better bring it home, because oh my god, imagine we were watching the thingy at Menlin, and I'm looking at everyone. You know, from now on I am a Springbok fan, guys, and I'm definitely going to get myself a t-shirt, because wow, okay, wow, I was in awe. Maubani, like 10 minutes into the game, even last week, 10 minutes into the game, those people said scratchy. I'm like, yo, mo gunzima, ho magnos. Rugby is an exciting sport, guys, and it was exciting to watch. I was watching my own videos just now, and I was critiquing myself a lot. I'm like, yo, I shouldn't have done that. I shouldn't have done this. A lot of the times I'll watch the video once before like I'll upload the video, and then I'll watch it once, and then I'll let it be, you know. And then every now and then I'll go back and check views and comments and my analytics and stuff like that, but I would never like go back and rewatch my videos. So watching my videos, I was like critiquing myself a lot, you know, and I was cringing. I was literally cringing just watching my own videos. I'm like, you know what, I should have done this better. I do want engagement on my videos. I feel like people watch and then after like a few minutes they log off. So I just want to keep people glued into the video until the end, or maybe not even the end, but just watch majority of the video, even if it's not the whole video. It literally made me cringe so much. I don't like watching myself. I really don't. I feel like I'm not articulating myself well. I need to practice. I was watching Ella Oma, and he was also talking about it, and I'm like, oh, I guess I'm not the only one, you know. I've always loved doing YouTube, but one of the things that held me back from starting way back was because I always felt like I don't know how to talk, I don't know how to speak, you know, I don't know how to articulate myself properly. Yeah, I think that's one of the things that I have to start working on.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone and you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little better. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me?